My name is Kate and I'm a librarian at the Deer Park Library. Today I'm going to show you how to do printmaking at home using supplies you have at home or you can get at home. So what you're going to need is some styrofoam. I'm using some styrofoam sheets here. If you don't have styrofoam sheets, you can use a takeout container lid, or you can use one of the vegetable containers from the store. Just make sure it doesn't have a lot of mess on it or else it'll transfer over to your paper. You're going to need some cardboard or some paper, it really doesn't matter. Just make sure it's not too thin because you have to wet it and it'll tear if you put too much water on it. You're going to need some wet paper towels. You're going to need some water-based markers, and it's important that they're water-based because they won't transfer if they're not water-based. Gonna need a pencil or a pen. You can use a toothpick too, anything that'll make some markings or indents on the styrofoam. Just make sure that if you use a pencil or a toothpick, you don't push too hard or you don't have it too sharpened because you don't want to tear into the styrofoam. And optionally, you can use some scissors. You don't have to cut the styrofoam, but you can do things like make smaller pieces, or you can make stamps if you use scissors. So the way you start is you grab a piece of styrofoam and you go ahead and you make whatever design you want on it. Now the thing you have to be careful about is you don't want to touch the actual surface of the styrofoam too much, because if you do, you'll get your fingerprints on there and then the pen won't transfer very well. And you also want to be careful because it'll show up any markings you put on the styrofoam itself. So we're just going to go ahead and make a design here. You can do whatever you want. You can make it as simple as you want. You can make it as complicated as you want. Just draw on some flowers here because you can do all kinds of colors in flowers. And then once we have the flower design or whatever design you want, you want to make sure you get your paper ready. And we're going to go ahead and color in the design however you want. You can color in the design itself. You can just go across the whole design. It's totally up to you. We're going to make some blue flowers here. And if you want, you can always mix colors too to make different colors. So even if you have 3 colors, you can make a whole lot more colors by mixing the colors. And again, just make sure that you don't get your fingerprints on it too much, because the oil from your fingertips will get stuck on there. And that's not what we want. It means the marker won't show up very well. So we're gonna take one of our wet paper towels here and make sure that we wet our paper really well. And by really well, we want to wet the entire thing, but we don't want to soak it too much because then it'll tear. And you can either put the plate on or you can put the paper on the plate. It really is up to you, whatever's easier for you. You want to make sure you push down really hard because you want all the color to transfer. I got a little color on the back of it, and it's okay. It's how art works. And if you like, you can sort of check on the progress as you go. Probably could have been a little bit wetter around the edges. Here's another example where I wet it really well and you can see the color transferred even better. Now to clean, you can reuse these plates as many times as you want. Just make sure you wipe them off really well so that you can recolor them. You can also make some cards with these stamps. You can make all kinds of things. As you can see, here we go. Just put it in half and you've got an amazing card. You can make cards, little baby stamps. It's completely up to you. And thank you for watching. That's how you do printmaking. Thanks for joining us for that. Please check out the links down below if you want some more information on printmaking. You can check out Creative Bug at the library. And it was great to show you how to do some art today. Bye!
Get free arts and crafts videos with your library card.